This video explains how to enrol for an OU module if your employer is funding your studies by sponsorship. Let's get started. Step 1. First, you'll need to log in to your student home. These details would have been sent to you when you made your first module reservation or qualification registration. On the student homepage, click Track your application progress. Then, confirm your registration on the next page. Check that you've registered for the correct module and start date, and click Proceed. Then you'll confirm a few details about yourself and also confirm your email address. Now you'll see the payment options for your module, which may vary depending on the module and nation or country you're resident in. As your employer will be funding your studies, scroll to the bottom of the page and tick the box to say you'll be paying by sponsorship and that your employer should be invoiced. If your employer wants to pay us immediately by card, you can choose the card payment option and you'll be able to make a third-party card payment. You now have a choice to have your forms posted to you or to download them. Tick the box if you want to have them posted or leave blank if not, then click Pay Later. Next, we'll ask you to check important information and confirm your fee eligibility. This may vary depending on your country of residence. Once you've read the information, click Proceed and you'll be on the summary page. You'll now see a summary of your module and have the option to download and print all your forms. In order to complete your enrolment by sponsorship, you'll need the registration agreement for you to complete and the sponsorship agreement for your employer to complete. You can post them back to us or complete electronically and email them to us. You can also download the terms and conditions of registration, which you should read prior to enrolment. For more details, view our registration agreement video. Step 2. The sponsorship form summarises the module details, and your employer will need to read this form to sign and agree to the sponsorship terms and conditions. The form also has details on where to send once completed. Please note that if you're part paying with sponsorship and card, we can't accept card details via email. Your sponsor must complete the invoice contact box. These details will appear on the invoice and also be used if we need to contact them for any reason. Ensure the purchase order box is completed, or NA can be added if they don't use a purchase order system or one is not required on the invoice. Next, complete the signature box. We can accept an electronic signature in any PDF format. We can't accept a sponsorship agreement signed by the same person who is studying the module unless you're a sole trader or director. Please indicate here if applicable. Your sponsor can then complete their organisation details. This is important if they differ from the invoice details. Step 3. When the form is completed, please return with your completed registration agreement, as we need both to complete your enrolment. All return details are on the forms. Please ensure these reach us before the final enrolment date. Once we receive your forms, we'll process them and confirm when enrolment is complete. We'll also contact you or your sponsor if we need to. Your sponsor will be invoiced within 30 days of your module start date. Once we've confirmed your enrolment, we'll be with you from day one, helping you discover the huge benefits of online learning, from familiarising you with the best resources available to exploring the amazing study materials on offer. We'll encourage and support you to succeed from the start. And if you need any help at any point, please get in touch.